Last August, we inaugurated a 25 million peso model police and fire station in Libis, Quezon City, built in cooperation with the Quezon City government and Eastwood City Estate Association. On interpersonal changes felt by the public, efforts are also being undertaken by the PNP in developing a policeman who is an embodiment of a professionally, physically, mentally, morally, and spiritually fit public servant. As the October 2009 survey further discloses, pakikitungo sa mga mamamayan is one of the transformations that the people observe in the police, wherein they prefer policemen who are mapagkakatiwalaan, makadiyos, at mabilis umaksyon sa tawag sa klolo ng publiko. Accomplishments like Typhoon Sondoy and Pepin brought to the fore not only the resilience and strength of the Filipino people in the face of great odds. Kaya rin po dito, yung incident dito sa Zamboanga del Norte, yung pumulubog na Super Ferry. Nakita po natin ang reaksyon ng ating mga kababayan dito. The police, the military, also the OCD under Director Cuevo, yung pong mayor ng Zamboanga City, did their best. At nakita naman po ng publiko na hindi tayo naging pabayaan. But also highlighted and gallant about uniformed men and women who, despite being victims themselves, managed to save lives and properties. It was the same gallantry that led to a policeman to save lives when MP Valero sang of Batangas. And it was the same gallantry displayed recently by members of the PNP contingent to the United Nations in Haiti, when they immediately joined in search, rescue and retrieval operations in the aftermath of that 7.0 magnitude earthquake that killed at least 200,000 people. We cannot thank our hero cops enough, as the ACRA survey reveals that one of the change that public felt is pagresponde sa tawag sa klolo ng mamayan. To sustain our disiplina, our kabutihang asal, values and leadership training in our police units, such as purpose-driven life seminars, which benefited 90,000 of our personnel, will be continuously conducted. The LOY cadet or character and attitude development training will also be vigorously implemented to address the spiritual renewal, social reawakening, and physical development among every personnel. And along this line, medyo po napagalitan ako, napagalitan kaming lahat ng ating Chief PNP when during our conduct of checkpoints, nabalitaan po niya na maraming mga pulis ang nahuli. And kasama po tayo, 3 pulis ang nahuli dito. Kaya inorderan kagad ako at inirelay ko naman kay Colonel Yanga ang kailangan ng mga ito ay malipat immediately dito para mag-undergo ng cadet training. These activities help instill the timeless values of discipline, courtesy and loyalty, as well as the ideals of service, honor and justice in every police personnel. Furthermore, it develops the leadership skills needed for them to help lead the police force towards genuine transformation. The same ACRA survey has reflected that the attitude change in policemen as perceived by the community has earned for him greater confidence, trust, and respect. With 75% of the survey respondents saying that they like to have a friend who is a police officer, while 38% would like to be a police officer if given the chance. To the men and women of the PNP, I thank you for willingly embracing the challenges, for taking the long journey towards genuine transformation, and for rising above the difficulties with duty and service foremost in your hearts and minds. I thank you for taking police work to a new level with deeper integrity, diligence, and commitment to the ideals of service, honor, and justice. We take today's occasion as an opportunity to renew and further deepen our commitment to serve and protect the Filipino nation as best as we can. On citizen empowerment, the Philippine National Police Integrated Transformation Program, which serves as our roadmap to change, has been an effective catalyst in achieving the kind of transformation that we want to achieve. However, our vision and gains under the PNP-ITP are impossible to achieve without the active support of an empowered citizenry who know their rights and responsibilities, where we in the PNP need to engage the communities to win back their trust, confidence, and support as they play a vital role in crime prevention and solution. This can only be achieved if every policeman respects the rights of every citizen and every policeman actively pursues his responsibility, delivering concrete results. We launched our Citizens Charter in August 2009 to bring the police closer to the people by satisfying their needs and meeting their expectations for more transparent, accountable, and responsive police services. Through the LOI Payapa and the implementation of local anti-criminality action program, we encourage our empowered citizenry to participate in the development and implementation of local peace and order plans